Left side keep heading everyone. Word problems on linear equations. Word problems on linear equations. Okay. First, second keep heading. Steps for solving word problems. Keep heading. Steps for solving. Steps for solving. Steps for solving word problems. Steps for solving word problems. Step first, identify what is unknown. Step first, identify identify what is unknown. Step 2, write one of them as x. Write one of them as x. Step 3, write all other entries. Write all other entries. Write all other entries in terms of the unknown. In terms of the unknown. Step 4, form the equation. Form the equation. Step 5, solve the equation to find x. Solve the equation solve the equation to find x. Last step, write the required answer. Write the required answer. There are total 6 steps to solve word problem based on linear equation. Whatever word problem they have given, firstly you will identify what is unknown. After that, write one of them as x. Then third step, write all other entries in the terms of the unknown. Now fourth step, form the equation. After forming the equation, you need to find the value of x. Now done everyone fastly. Steps for solving word problems. First step, identify what is unknown. Step 2, write one of them as x. Third step, write all other entries in terms of the unknown. Next, form the equation. Fifth step, solve the equation to find x. And last step is write the required answer. Note down example first, everyone. Example first. Example first. Thrice a number is thrice a number is thrice a number is thrice a number is 144. Thrice a number is 144. What is the number? What is the number? Yeah. First question I have given here. Thrice a number is 144. Thrice a number is 144. What is the number? We don't know number. Firstly, we want to assume let the number be x. Let the number be x. Okay. After that, he has given condition thrice a number is 144. Thrice means 3 times. 3 into x is equal to 144. Then 3 into means multiplication, quantity becomes division. X is equal to 144 divided by 3. What is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 48. Start adding solution, everyone. Solution. Let the number Let the number be x. We don't know number, we have assumed number is x. Now, according to given condition, according to given condition, condition he has given thrice a number is 144, means thrice a number is equal to 144. Thrice a number is equal to 144. Thrice means three times. Number we have assumed x. 3 into x is equal to 144. Then x is equal to 144 divided by 3. And x is equal to 3 for the 12, 3 8 the 24. The value of x is 48. The value of x is 48. Note down everyone firstly. The value of x is 48. Yeah. Let the number be x according to given condition. Thrice a number is equal to 144. Then thrice means 3 into x is equal to 144. The value of x is equal to 144 divided by 3. Then x is equal to 48. Note down example second. Example second, note down. 2/3 of a number, 2/3 of a number, 2/3 of a number is 46. Find the number. Find the number. Find the number. Again, in this question, we don't know what is number. Again, we will assume let the number be x. Let the number be x. Now, according to given condition, according to given condition, condition he has given 2/3 of a number. 2/3 into number is equal to 46. And number we have assumed x, means 2/3 of means into number we have assumed x is equal to 46. Now I need to find out the value of x. What is the meaning of 2/3 into x? I can say 2x by 3 is equal to 46. Now 2x by 3. 3 is division. Division quantity becomes multiplication. Then I can say here 2x is equal to 46 into 3. Then x is equal to 46 into 3 divided by 2. X is equal to 46 into 3 divided by 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 23 into 3. 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. Number is what? 69. Note down, everyone. Yeah. Let the number be x. Then condition he has given 2/3 of a number. 2/3 of means into x is equal to 46. Now 2/3 into x means 2x by 3 is equal to 46. Now 3 is the division. Division quantity becomes multiplication. 2x is equal to 46 into 3. Then x is equal to 46 into 3 divided by 2. Then answer is what? The value of x is 69. Now down example 3, everyone. Example 3. 15% of a number. Yeah. 15%. 15% of a number. 15% of a number is 600. 15% of a number is 600. What is that number? What is that number? Again, students, you are observing here 15% of a number. We don't know what is number. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. According to given condition, he has given 15% of a number. 15% of means into number is, we have assumed x is equal to 600. What is the meaning of 15 percentage? 15 percentage means 15 by 100. Percentage means out of 100. 15 percentage means 15 by 100. Now 15 by 100, 15 by 100 into x is equal to 600. Now 15 by x into 100, then I can say 15x by 100 is equal to 600. 15x by 100 is equal to 600. Then by 100, it is division quantity becomes multiplication. 15x is equal to 15x is equal to 600 into 100. Now 15x, what is the meaning of 15x? 15 into x. Multiplication quantity becomes division. then x is equal to 1600 into 100 divided by 15. X is equal to 1600 into 100 divided by 15. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 for the 60. Then 40 has come. 40 into 100. 40 into 100 is equal to 4000. The value of x is 4000. Students, are you getting my point? Right. The value of x is 4000. Example 4. Example 4. A number is twice the other. A number is twice a number is twice the other if their sum is 72, if their sum is 72, find them. Yeah. Question example 4. A number is twice the other. If their sum is 72, find them. Yeah. Now students, tell me in this question how to solve. First line he has given a number is twice the other. Twice means one number will be a smaller number and second number will be bigger number. Then what we can assume? Let the smaller number be x. Note down. Let the smaller number be x. Let the smaller number be x and if smaller number is x, then other number will be twice 2x and larger number be 2x. According to given condition, according to given condition he has given, if their sum is 72, which sum? Smaller number and larger number sum is 72, means x plus 2x is equal to 72. 3x is equal to 72. Why 3x? Because both are like term and sign are same. 3x is equal to 72, then x is equal to 72 divided by 3, 24. The value of x has come 24. Now, if the value of x is 24, then I can say the smaller number is 24 and larger number will be double of that number, 46. Hence, the smaller number is 24 and larger number is twice into smaller number, 48. Hence, 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 the smaller number is 24 and larger number is 2x, means 2 into 24, 48. I hope students you are getting my point. Yeah, example 5. Divide divide 60 in two parts. Divide 60 in two parts. Divide 60 in two parts such that such that such that the larger part is such that the larger part is double of smaller part. Double of smaller part. Find both the parts. Find both the parts. Yeah. In this question, he has given divide 60 in two parts such that larger part is double of smaller part. This line is very, very important. The larger part is double of smaller part. Means what we can say? If the smaller part is x, then larger part will be 2x. Understood, everyone? Let the smaller part be x. Let the smaller part be x and larger part be 2x. According to given condition, according to given condition he has given, divide 60 in two parts, means x plus 2x is equal to 60. X plus 2x is equal to 60. 3x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 divided by 3 is equal to 20. The value of x is 20. Then I can say, hence the smaller part is 20 and larger part is 40. Hence, hence, comma, the smaller part is 20 and larger part is 40. Why larger part is 40? Because larger part is the double of smaller part. Are you getting my point, students? Right.